Hey, sup? So guess who forgot to record an intro? Me. That's who. But guess who's still gonna make it do what it do? Me. That's who. We will go into the full specs on this unit. We are reviewing the new unit by Sensationnel. This is in the style ZAILA. She's part of the What Lace collection. As always, stay tuned for all the details. If you are interested in purchasing, direct link will be in the description box down below. Okay, Sensational, you came with the color, honey. But Sensational, what happened to the rest of the unit, boo? Yeah, let's get into ZAILA, and yeah, I think y'all know where I'm going. I'm going left. I did pick this unit up with my own coin, sis. You know, this is not sponsored. This is the real deal. So Miss ZAILA is part of the What Lace collection by Sensationnel. Let's get this out the way. Gorgeous color. You know, I'm more of like the ash blondes, the more whiter blondes. They just compliment me more. But baby, they delivered. Do you see all this brownness on brown on pink, boo? I'm really digging the style with the length. You know, I think it's a beautiful job. It lays super flat, and that's pretty much where it ends for me. I did have some issues getting this lace to blend. I feel like we're back to square one. We had this issue with the original What Lace. For me, they were too light, and for me, Miss ZAILA gave me some issues. I tried to blend it as much as I could, and I think it looks okay. You know, for me, I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a cast off with this unit. You may see it, you may not. So, you know, if you are a darker complexion, tread lightly, sis. Plan accordingly. And as far as the unit straight out the pack, baby, she was stomping her feet, she was rolling her eyes, she cussed me out. I think I even heard her say, I hate you. So, you know, she did not fall in line. I got some tangles out the pack, baby. Pop pains and tangles galore. Now, this is more of a blank slate unit. Straight out of the pack, you're gonna have to style it to your liking. If you ain't into putting some ports in, girl, I don't know what to tell you. But you do have many options with this unit. Left, right, middle part, half up, half down, you name it. Now, you know, I think they did a beautiful job on the style, but save it with that extra length. You know, sometimes I feel like it's just length for the sake of length. You know, I don't understand that random like 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hair at the bottom, boo. I do have my comb with me, just so you can see, you know, just to kind of spruce up the ends, you know. But I really took off that I took those ends off, baby. They weren't popping for me, boo. But I'm definitely feeling this length better. I think this looks really good, you know. And she does have a full density, You know, this is a full unit. So, you know, if you're looking for something that's going to give you kind of that Farrah Fawcett vibe, chocolate on pink, boo. This is definitely it. You know, she's cute. I'm just, you know, I just had some issues with a lot of the things on this unit.
A couple of things I forgot to mention about this unit. As far as the hairline, there is like a white strip of material going along the perimeter of this unit. It's actually sewn into the lace, so there's no way to remove it. Also, they did not give us Scalpalacians, sis. Pre-plucked hairline. It's a little thickalicious up top. You do have the option of going ahead and thinning out the front of this unit, but however, out the pack, in my opinion, it's just not that what lace we're used to. But baby, she is thick with it. Ow. So a little bit of track was showing when I did the 360. Not a lot, nothing that's noticeable is at the top. I do suggest wearing a dark colored wig cap with this unit. However, in my opinion, you good, boo.
I'm putting out a BTU Season Bulletin, okay? 102, 108, 112 degrees. Says, sometimes I don't want all this hair. Give us some bobs. Give us some shoulder lengths. Because, baby, I'm going to tell you now. Yeah, I'm perspiring. You know, it's just a long-winded way of saying, you know, I'm loving the lengths on these units, but can we get some shorter lengths for the summer month, please? So yeah, she's cute though. Whatever. Look at this girl. Ew. So if you are interested, checking out the information for Miss ZAILA, I will have a direct link for purchase in the description box down below. Thank you so much, ladies, for tuning in to this review. No holds barred over here, sis. So drop a comment down below. You let me know what you think of Miss ZAILA if you picked her up. What color did you get? Because this Flamboyage Chocolate, baby, yeah, it's it. Hit that sub button before you go. Of course, share the video with your family, your friends, and your friend me down the street, boo. Take care of yourselves. Keep yourself first. Stay tuned for the YouTube shoutouts. And as always, ladies, keep wearing it with confidence. And I will talk to you all in the next one.